24 years, making $320,000 a year, taking care of Victoria's Secret models, and still no one believes me when I say this. Eating a papaya and cucumber salad flushes out all the poop that's clogging up your intestines. Also never been healthier or softer. I have put the Amazon link in my bio for anyone who wants to try it.
How DTC brand MakeUGC make 2x your sales and saved $7,600 on ads by using MakeUGC.
By using AI, they have been able to cut their ad generation time from an average of 4 days to less than 5 minutes, all with MakeUG.
Hey, thank you for commenting for the guide. This will give you a rough breakdown, or actually quite a detailed breakdown of how to make AI UGC videos with my software MakeUGC. Now, my background is e-commerce for the last 5 years. I actually sold my UGC agency last year and exited out pretty well. And we developed this software all straight away, and it's converted very, very well right now. You can even have the product in hand, and I'll show you exactly how you can create creators.
Link AI MakeUGC in description below.
In just a few minutes. So this is what happens once you're all logged into your tab here. You have everything in place from your credits. You can see all the videos on the platform that you've generated before. You can actually edit the videos afterwards as well as download them straight in HD. So here you can change around the script, see what was generated before, and this gives you like a rough breakdown of how you can create the video as well. But to create a video, just click on the Create Video tab here. You're going to go across to the script generation page. Now we'll put in the title of the video as MakeUGC Test. Just simply type in our script here. MakeUGC is the #1 AI UGC platform for apps, agencies, and DTC brands. Now, what you can do as well, especially if you run a brand, is that you can generate this all with AI just by putting these key prompts. Really, you can get everything else in place. You can also transcribe audio straight away from video. So if you find something on a TikTok video, you can go to something like Snaptic and actually download the audio of the video and simply upload it onto here. Now, on the next step, we're just doing a little update at the moment, adding some more languages on. There's going to be over 100 languages by this time next week, but we'll select Daniel here. We can preview the audio.
Wikipedia differs from printed references in important ways. It is continually created and updated.
So that gives you a rough idea on the audio itself. Super realistic, and we can pre-generate here. On the next step, we can actually play around with the tonality and expression. So we can preview here.
MakeUGC is the #1 AI UGC platform for apps, agencies, and...
So sounding a little bit slow. Let's up the style a little bit, and we can increase the stability as well. You can actually add background music. All of these are copyright free as well. So let's regenerate.
MakeUGC is the #1 AI UGC platform for apps, agencies, and DTC brands. MakeUGC is the...
And I'll just regenerate one more time here just to get it on a perfect level. So it's all ready to go.
MakeUGC is the #1 AI UGC platform for apps, agencies, and DTC brands.
Okay, that's perfect. And then simply here, I select my creator. There's tons of creators to choose from. If you want to create a custom avatar and have somebody hold your product, all you have to do is upload a video straight to the platform on the custom avatars tab. On here, this is just a demo account, so it doesn't have it. And then you can select the rest. You can filter through here the gender, and we're adding in a few more filters as well. So you're going to be all ready to go. And that gives you how easy it is in just a few minutes to generate a UGC. I'm actually going to go ahead and create this video and probably post this out one day pretty soon. But we have all of our videos here for any of our other clients, people who we've made the video on. We have thousands of businesses now using MakeUGC. For anybody who's made it this far, make sure to use code GUIDE15 on the checkout for 15% off all MakeUGC plans. If you do want the custom avatar and the plans, make sure to pick the Pro plan here. It's $119 a month, or annually it's $99. The growth plan gives you 10 videos, and the starter plan is a great way to test out. They're all great. You have the live chat here on the bottom right of the screen that you can reach out at any time. Our average response time at the moment is 56 minutes, so we're on here a lot. And if you have any questions, big or small, just speak to us there. I'm looking forward to seeing you on the inside. Thanks.